everybody.
Salam.
On this occasion, I will speak about economic globalization. Introduce me, I am Heli Jawabantu. Well, let me give you a little definition about economic globalization. Economic globalization is the manner of combining the national economy into the global financial system played by WTO, IMF, and World Bank players. So with economic globalization, we can import everything. For example, we can import food or selling something, and etc. Economically, the Indonesian state has a dependency on international trade, production, and finance. Ladies and gentlemen, economic globalization has an impact of the national commercial law, which must resemble as an integration mechanism that can harmonize the various internal interests of the nation. Economically, there are increasingly competing trade pressure, multinationalism of production, interaction of financial markets, and embrace global capital investment. Especially regarding the recent negotiation process with globalization that accommodate the interests of global force to appropriate for the developments of the national economy, and globalization is also very important in the volume of export and import. For example, in a country including Indonesia, which will have an impact both negative and positive from globalizing products and services. So that's all for my topic. Do you have any questions? Please.
Does globalization affect country?
I will answer your question about globalization effect in a country. So globalization can be an opportunity and a challenge for a country, because one of which in Indonesia, globalization also has positive and negative impact on nation and country. For example, in the positive thing, we can import everything. At the first, I would say that in globalization, we can import everything, food, selling something, and etc. But in the negative position, globalization, it makes something not easy because it puts developing country. And then we know that as we search in Google or in TikTok, we can see that in economic globalization, one person make a trade for human. For example, perdagangan bebas or sex trade. So that's all.